Brothers, do you know how the internal connection process of these high-capacity power lithium battery packs is done? These batteries are used in new energy-clean vehicles, as well as in some low-speed four-wheelers. For example, an 8 kWh battery has such a small size, while a 9 kW one is much larger. I'm going to disassemble them right now to show you their internal craftsmanship. Let's take a look at the differences in their internal structure. Equipped with LiFePO 424S 72V100AH BMS, the overall spatial layout is still very compact. Alright, let's take a look at this side now. This side is relatively much more spacious. This is 20 sets of 60V150AH lithium iron phosphate battery BMS. Let's examine some subtle functional differences. This battery pack is built according to the 20S60V100AH specification. Therefore, the protection board used is a 20-group 60Vi150AH lithium battery management system. First, this is the total negative terminal of the battery pack. It outputs P as the total negative terminal of the entire battery pack. Here is the total positive terminal of the battery pack. A wire comes out as the total positive terminal of the entire battery pack. Let's check out some other features. This wire connects to the GPS module. The GPS module allows long-distance monitoring of the battery pack's status and remote control. The battery pack has an aviation head adapter plugged in here. For example, to connect to the vehicle's CAN communication, here is the switch to control the MOS discharge. So the wiring is neatly organized and consolidated. That's the basic internal structure. There are also some special functions. Let me explain to you. This button has a lighting feature. The light display requires power. It uses a custom diode port for power supply, which means giving up the ordinary key channel and switching to DIO to save one wiring step. Additionally, there are advantages to this design. Not sure if you've noticed. This layout helps improve the overall heat dissipation of the BMS. Previously, everyone said the BMS would connect directly to the battery itself. The surrounding casing was too compact, which was bad for BMS cooling. But now, this design is much better, right? One more thing I want to mention. A 150A BMS won't cause overheating, so you can rest assured. Of course, if you have more space, an arrangement like this is also recommended. If you want to learn more, feel free to leave a message.